Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. In this video, I just wanted to let you know about a free upcoming program titled Project Management for Non-Project Managers. You see, for quite some time now, I have been receiving a suggestion about explaining project management, but not in terms of project management industry or the IT industry, rather in basic layman terms so that even a so-called outsider can understand what project management is all about. Our highly successful and appreciated program PM101, linked in the description below, has been extremely beneficial to thousands of people that have watched it. If you understand the basics of project management already, then PM101 is where you should go. But let's say you are a total newbie, then this is the program, which is Project Management for Non-Project Managers, is specifically designed for you. We have made sure that none of the terms used in the entire program sound Greek or Latin to you. In fact, the Project Management for Non-Project Managers program is specifically designed for those who, number one, have not studied project management, number two, those who do not have project management experience or a very little of project management experience, those who are not PMP aspirants or do not even know what PMP is, number four, those that are not aware of the terminology used in the IT industry, and finally number five, those who want to spare some time to learn project management and get their foot in the door. So now, how does this all work? What do you need to do to access this program? It's quite simple actually. All that you need to do is to subscribe to the PMC Lounge YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you stay informed. The YouTube channel is youtube.com/PMC Lounge. So we will be covering 6 chapters in 6 sessions as part of this program over the course of coming 2 weeks. These sessions will be streaming on our YouTube channel itself starting Monday, June 8. So Monday, June 8 will be chapter 1, Basics of Project Management. Then Wednesday, June 10 will be chapter 2, Managing a Team. And we have this gap of first session on Monday and then second on Wednesday so that you have ample time to follow along. Then on Friday, June 12, we will cover chapter 3, Building a Team. And then we have the weekend off so that you can catch up on all 3 chapters. After that, on Monday, week 2, Monday, June 15, we will kick things off with chapter 4, Working with Project Stakeholders. Then on Wednesday, June 17, will be chapter 5, Planning, Scheduling and Budgeting. And finally, on Friday, June 19, will be the last session on chapter 6, which is Managing Risks. So like I mentioned earlier, these 6 sessions will be streaming on our YouTube channel starting June 8. So block your calendars, grab a pen and a paper if you are into taking notes, and come along on this educational ride into project management. I will see you then, and before I go away, don't forget to check out the website PMCLounge.com, your #1 free resource for PMP and project management. This is Shoaib signing out. Thank you and have a nice day.